Harmony versus contrast. It's a very important topic, and understanding this concept is very helpful during your work. When you create a piece of art, you must make a lot of small decisions. In every small decision, you should ask yourself, should I increase the contrast or should I increase the harmony of the image? Contrast versus harmony. If you have too much harmony, your artwork probably looks boring. For example, if you paint only with similar colors family, it looks boring. It's not wrong, but it's not interesting. To make it clearer, let me give an example. You work from Monday to Friday, then you rest Saturday and Sunday. Working from Monday to Friday is harmony. You can predict the next week you should also work on these days. If you work without resting on Saturday and Sunday and continue to work again, even if you love your job, very soon you feel bored, you feel tired. This is too much harmony. Now imagine you work in a company without a schedule. You don't have a plan. You don't know which days of the week you should work. For example, one week you rest on Friday, next week you work on Saturday and Sunday. You can never predict which days you should work next week. This is too much contrast. So, we need a balance between work days and rest days. Keeping this balance is the reason that we work from Monday to Friday, and we rest on the Saturday and Sunday. Let me give you another example. If you have too much harmony in your work and very low contrast, probably your work will look boring. On the other hand, if you have too much contrast and very little harmony, probably there's chaos in your work. There's no order in your work. So it's not pleasing to look at your artwork. But if you can keep a good balance between harmony and contrast, maybe a little more of the harmony, you achieve a pleasing balance. So let's talk how harmony versus contrast is related to our topic, color harmony. Before that, we must first be familiar with a concept called Gamut Mask. The Gamut Mask is a method to create harmonic colors scheme. If you look at the image on the left, the color wheel is covered with a mask, and this area is not covered. I have picked color sample from this area, and because these color sample are close to each other, we have a harmony. But it's a little boring. Then on the right side, I have picked color sample from this area. As you can see, there is no meaningful relationship between these colors. It's not interesting to look at these colors. It's a chaos. But look at the middle one. If you look at this image, all of the circle is covered except this area and this area. The color I have picked from this area have harmony with each other because I have picked them in this area and they are close to each other. Then I have added blue as a complementary. So I have this accent of the complementary color. It creates contrast. As you can see, now with a harmony and a little contrast, this color combination is pleasing to look at. This combination is more interesting than this one and this one. In this combination, I have found a good balance between harmony and contrast. The basic concept of the color is finished. In next video, we will talk about how a color changes when it becomes lighter or darker. And also we talk about a very important concept, which is color temperature.